principal and respected headmaster and all my teachers and dear students and dear friends. Good morning to all. I'm going to explain why it is the importance of a girl's education. You already know in our society the rule is to education. And especially for girls' education, here all already know that we don't usually send our girls to get educated in the schools. But here, after having a lot of facilities from the government, but still we don't get to send a girls' education to the school, because here we've got all the facilities provided by our government. We do even have a lot of teachers in here, well-educated teachers and well-educated headmasters. And it's not like the teachers are well-educated in colleges and they are here up to here. When a girl is educated, she's a power. She gets a power a lot. She gets a lot of power when she is educated, not only as a woman, as a daughter, as a wife, as a sister, as a friend. And in this, all the examples which we have a student, as a teacher, or a woman has made history, not only as an Indian, but also the international. And here we are just going to get to know when we got an example, the exact example of women's power that's good through education. She has led a lot of histories, which it is a very complicated matters. She has run through the world, also participated very political meetings, and also participated as a teacher and played in workshops and also businesses meetings, in which she has played an important role as not only as a teacher but also as a student, but also those who are here come here and here today. I just want to say to them, educate your girl. Let her become a superpower against the enemies of the girls and against those people who are jealous of girls. Just show them the power of a girl, because here, as not as being a daughter to a girl or daughter to anyone, here we're just going to show our power through education. When a girl gains education, she not only gains a confidence, she also gains a knowledge, and she knows how to make the real power of real making decision-making skills. She's not only just going to make and also improves all of these specialties. Due to these specialties, we just don't know the exact and real meaning of education. If you're going to send your children and your all the things, don't differentiate between the gender discrimination, which is so common. It is so common among all us, because we differentiate not only girls as boys, but we also differentiate the gender between, and women in the societies are called as weaker, but we are not weak. We gotta show them what we've got, because here, not only as a speaker, to tell you my experience as a girl, because in my societies, most of the people say that it's not necessary for a girl to get education. But honestly, my friends and parents, I would like to request you, send your girls to the educating and universities, and let them educate, let them know the power, let them improve the skills of decision making, not only as a daughter, but also as a wife, as a supporter, and as a friend. Let them show what we've got in skills. After improving and development of the skills, they're going to do a lot of works which has been so considered as important, not only important for national development, but also the success of the country. Because being a woman is a power. Being a woman is a power to the nation. When a woman is educated, she becomes the superpower of nation, not only a nation, but also a country. When a country is example of, it becomes the most superpower country, because the woman has raised to her feet and shows what she's got, and showed also the power which is usually needed for any of the women to defeat the evil, to defeat all those principles which we have came here in the facilities. And after that, the main important thing that we've got to require your attention means, I would like to request all of you to send your children, and whoever it is, your daughter or whether it is, there should be no gender discrimination between those any students, whether she's a female or male, or whether it is small or big or anyone it is. Just send your children to the school and let them know the real world, because this is not only an inspiration but also becomes the example, a great example to all of us, not only as the elders but also small children, which is going to be the incredible impact of all of us. And I would like to thank you, all of us here giving your speech, and as a speaker I would like to thank you for your presence and for listening to me.